Sophia, can I be honest with you? I don't know if it's the island air, you know, or the humidity, or you're just so easy to talk to. You know, you got a clear head, literally.
I think we can be friends. Let's hang out and get to know each other for a little while. You're on my friends list now.
Yeah, I read that wrong.
So elusive, can it contain him?
Snapping ankles along the way.
Run again! This run is uncontainable!
Drops in! And forget a rifle shot that sails into the back corner for the equalizer.
Okay.
Okay, who got hired
Intervention.
last? And who gets paid the least? Okay, we're gonna try a bucket of water. Hang a bucket of water on the handle.
Actually, I was thinking, oh, here comes a big stick. Here comes a big stick.
We're going to drown it with acid. We're going to try the big stick theory. He's going to go flying across the... Try to kill the engine with water and hit the big stick.
Jesus Christ.
Okay, now we're going to smother it with a tarp. We've now angered the machine. The machine is now angry.
You dumbass.
This is hilarious.
les fonctions désirées dans la base de données. Et par exemple, je peux vous montrer la fonction que j'ai enregistrée ce matin. C'est la 2. Oui, attendez, parce que je...
les fonctions désirées dans la base de données. Et par exemple, je peux vous montrer la fonction que j'ai enregistrée ce matin. C'est la 2. Oui, attendez, parce que...
Oh shit! Oh my god!
Hello, everyone. So, Osimo, do we have any mail? Oh, we're gonna go this way? Can I have that? Hey. No? No. Oh. The neighbor gave this to me. I see. You know what? This looks like the invitation to Cassidy's birthday party. My kids are so excited to see you. Okay, but you want to get ready for the kids? All right, everyone, can we give Osimo a round of applause? We're actually going to head back and grab the kids right now. We're going to have to lower the curtain. You guys can come back and see us in a little bit. We're going to get started on this.
Due to unforeseen circumstances, this performance of Say Hello to Osimo, presented by Honda, has been canceled. We regret any inconvenience.